AOBEN device bends itself to professional tool manufacture since 1986, sticking to a principle: easy and safe working. User experience and trust is our direction. This series of devices colored classical dark red and black, motivating work enthusiasm, conspicuous but low-key. Fond of doing small mechanic projects all by yourself? If yes, then AOBEN is surely your wisest choice. The toolkits offered by the brand makes your home projects effortless, easy and exciting. The set of electric ratchet wrench offered by the brand are fine crafted to help you with removing or installing nuts and bolts in a jiffy. Whether it is a simple pair of nut and bolt or complicated mechanism under the hood of your car, you would definitely require a set of spanners handy. Here comes the use of an electric ratchet wrench, which acts as a smart replacement for the conventional spanners, thereby reducing your manual work to a great extent. The chargeable toolkit is surely a wonderful addition to your gadgets for repairs. AOBEN electric ratchet wrench offers 12-volt max motor and plenty torque at 35 feet lbs to remove or install bolts or nuts. Includes 2 battery, 1 charger and 8 bolts. Ratchet wrench set superior fastening speed, produces 280 revolutions per minute with a variable speed trigger for excellent control. LED light on the front of the unit, lighting the workplace for you in the dark. Lights on the side of the unit will let you know how much power you have left. Backward switch on the back of the head prevents accidental actuations. Air-cooled motor, strong heat sinking capability. Can stabilize the working temperature of batteries.